Hello students, today I am here with a new video on soil resources of India. Myself Rajesh Dwivedi. First, introduction of soil. The word soil is derived from the Latin word solum, which means field or ground. The term pedology is the study of soil. Soil is the uppermost thin and loose layer of the earth's crust formed by the breaking of rocks, decayed organic matter, living organisms, water and air. Soil is helpful for the growth and development of the plants and animal life. The right mix of minerals and elements, organic or inorganic, present in the soil determines fertility of the soil and the capacity to produce crops. Soils are seldom more than 1 to 3 meter in depth. Beyond this depth, the rocks do not have the elements necessary for plant growth. Soil is closely linked to land. It takes more than 1,000 years to form a few centimeters of thick soil. Now, soil profile. The soil develops in various layers, that means soil horizon. The arranged soil horizon is known as soil profile, which differs from place to place. First, topsoil. Topsoil, this layer is dark in color and has a fine texture and high content of organic matter and is vital for plant growth. Below that is subsoil, the B horizon. It is below topsoil, consists of sand, silt and clay, but has only minor amount of organic matter. Then the C horizon, parent material. It consists of unconsolidated, that is loose, rock material from which the A and B layers have been formed and has no humus or any soil structure. And the below one is bedrock, the D horizon. It lies below the C horizon and consists of solid rocks. Then factors responsible for soil formation. Parent rock determine color, texture, chemical properties, minerals content and permeability. The soil is obtained by the weathering of rocks. All the three layers of rocks provide soil formation. Provide soil forming materials. Second is relief, means altitude, that is height, and slope determines accumulation of soil. Steep slope encourage the soil erosion and gentle slope supports soil formation. Then the next one is climate, that is temperature, rainfall and humidity, which influences humus and soil formation. Climate disintegrate hard rock into soil particles with the help of weathering. Time factor determine thickness and maturity of the soil profile. Natural vegetation provide the organic matter to the soil. This organic matter after decomposition gets mixed with soil and forms fertile humus. Next is the factors responsible for soil degradation. Landslides initiate large-scale displacement of soil and rocks from the hilly areas, leading to soil degradation in mountainous regions. Rainwater washes up the fertile topsoil in the area of high precipitation. Floods are responsible for soil degradation in terms of quantity and quality. Large-scale deforestation by man to fulfill their own needs is one of the major causes responsible for soil destruction. Overgrazing reduces the usefulness of the land and is one of the causes of desertification and erosion. Excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides to increase the agriculture agricultural production is one of the major causes for soil pollution. Large scale urbanization is the major cause for the destruction of fertile soil due to encroachment of the fertile areas. Then, how to conserve soil? Mulching involves the covering of bare ground between the plants with layer of organic matter like straw to retain moisture in the soil. Then, to reduce soil degradation, contours are built, whether it is of stones, grass, and soil, to collect water by making trenches. In rock dam, rocks are piled up to slow down the flow of water to prevent gullies and soil loss. Terrace farming must be done on the steep slopes by making across broad flat steps to reduce surface runoff and soil erosion. Growing different crops in alternate rows is done in intercropping to protect soil from rainwash. The free movement of animals in the fields, mostly in hilly regions, should be avoided to stop overgrazing. Fodder should be raised as a crop. Shelter belts are mainly raised in coastal and dry regions to check the wind movement and to protect the soil erosion. So, this is all about the soil resources. Hope you like this.